What's the meaning of contrive? Contrive. Contrive.
Contrive. Contrive. The word contrive refers to the act of creating or devising a plan or scheme, particularly one that is clever or inventive. The result of successfully contriving something is the achievement of a desired outcome through careful planning and execution. This can involve coming up with new ideas, manipulating existing resources in creative ways, or anticipating and overcoming potential obstacles. Whether applied to a complex engineering project, a strategic business proposal, or a simple household task, the ability to contrive can prove invaluable for individuals and organizations alike, leading to success and innovation in a variety of contexts.